Welcome to our LiLi cooking channel, where culinary delights come to life. Get ready to embark on a mouth-watering journey through a world of flavors, techniques, and irresistible recipes. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, our channel is your ultimate destination for inspiration, education, and pure gastronomic pleasure. Join us as we explore the art of cooking from scratch, sharing our passion for creating delicious meals that will tantalize your taste buds. From classic comfort foods to exotic international dishes, we're here to ignite your culinary creativity and help you master the secrets of the kitchen. Get ready to elevate your weeknight dinners with our tantalizing saucy pork chop skillet recipe. This mouth-watering dish features juicy bone-in pork chops bathed in a flavorful tomato-based sauce, creating a symphony of savory goodness. Searing the pork chops creates a golden crust, while the aromatic blend of onions, garlic, bell peppers, and mushrooms adds depth to the dish. With a perfect balance of herbs and spices, every bite is a burst of flavor. Simmered to perfection, these tender pork chops absorb the rich sauce, making each forkful utterly irresistible. Prepare to impress your family and friends with this saucy delight that's sure to become a favorite at your dinner table. Here's a recipe for saucy pork chop skillet. Ingredients: 4 bone-in pork chops, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 small onion, thinly sliced, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 red bell pepper, thinly sliced, 1 cup sliced mushrooms, 1 can, 14 ounces, diced tomatoes, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, ½ teaspoon paprika, 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, optional, for spice, ½ cup chicken or vegetable broth, fresh parsley, chopped, optional, for garnish. Instructions: season the pork chops generously with salt and pepper on both sides. Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the pork chops to the skillet and sear them for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, until they develop a golden brown crust. Remove the pork chops from the skillet and set them aside. In the same skillet, add the sliced onion, minced garlic, red bell pepper, and sliced mushrooms. Sauté for about 4 to 5 minutes, until the vegetables begin to soften. Stir in the diced tomatoes, tomato paste, dried oregano, dried thyme, paprika, red pepper flakes, if using, and chicken or vegetable broth. Mix well to combine all the ingredients. Return the seared pork chops to the skillet, nestling them into the sauce. Reduce the heat to low and cover the skillet with a lid. Let the pork chops simmer in the sauce for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are cooked through and reach an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius. Once cooked, remove the skillet from heat. Let the pork chops rest in the skillet for a few minutes before serving. Serve the saucy pork chops hot, spooning the flavorful sauce over each chop. Garnish with fresh chopped parsley, if desired. This saucy pork chop skillet recipe offers tender and juicy pork chops bathed in a rich tomato-based sauce infused with aromatic herbs and spices. The combination of the seared pork chops and the flavorful sauce creates a delicious and satisfying meal. Pair it with your favorite sides such as mashed potatoes or steamed vegetables for a complete and hearty dinner. Enjoy!